In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52, and let me show you how to update applications in this phone. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store, then go to More icon and select My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you've got all apps that can be updated, and pick particular app if you would like to update one app only, and then tap on Update right next to its icon. It will be updated, and then you will be able to use the latest version. But let me stop it, because the best option is to update all apps at once. To do it, just click on Update All, and now you can observe the progress here. You can also use your device in a normal way. It's not necessary to stack here. In this panel you can use your device in a normal way, and then if you open your Play Store you will be able to check the apps and the progress of the installation of their latest versions. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.